Hello everyone! So, do you hate sales? Now, I said I talked about it a few days ago in the video of income action, and you're welcome to watch it. Just scroll a bit down, or if you watch it on YouTube, just hit here. Anyway, I used to hate sales. I was so despised that I kind of put a big obstacle in front of me that I couldn't make any sale at all, because I was raised as do we all was raised on the beliefs that selling is the root of all evil, that the devil itself made it, that salesmen are evil men, they're evil person, they here to manipulate you and steal your money away. And usually those are the beliefs that we all grew on. I know I have grown on those beliefs. And that was a big part, that was a huge struggle, and still it does bit struggling in sales when it comes to that, because this belief is really strong, especially if that's all you can hear around the people all around you. And you know the rule of five, the five peoples that are around you and surround you, those are the people that influence you the most. And I will talk about it tomorrow more specifically, but today let's focus up on that, on the sales part. So like I said, I used to hate. I really despise it, and that's why for many years when I tried to sell, I couldn't sell even a pen if I wanted, even if it was the greatest product ever made. It doesn't matter if you have the greatest product ever made. If you don't being out there and you don't put it in front of people, you actually stop them from reaching you to come to that service and actually benefit from it. So how did I shift that mindset into the way that I was comfortable with selling? Basically, it's like I said a minute ago, and that is understand that you're helping someone. Of course, if you manipulate someone, fuck that. Don't keep on that. Throw your service away, find another service, find another product that will help someone. But if you're not manipulating someone and you have a great product, something that you solved in yourself and you want to help others, if it's some product, service, something that you truly believe in that can help someone else, then if you don't sell, you actually prevent from them to have that product to enhance their own life. And when you do that, you not just prevent from that person, but you also prevent from yourself to keep on growing. You prevent from yourself to actually help other people. Does that make any sense? If it does, just comment below. Even if you're watching the replay, just hashtag replay, that I know that it makes sense to you. Now, focus on that. And I know how much it is very hard. It's very challenging to shift that mindset. But if you keep on just implement this little question every day, you will start to notice the shift in your mindset like that, like magic happened. So very simple. Ask yourself, is my product can help people? Is my service can actually enhance other people's life? Can I help someone with my product or service? If those questions are yes, so ask yourself, if I keep preventing from people to get that product, service, where will I be? Where they will be without that? And when you answer that question, you understand that, hey, you're not just selling, you're influencing and you helping other people by getting your product. And you can say, hey, but what if I give it free? Yeah, you can give it free, no problem. But usually and mostly when people get things free, not all the time, but mostly when people get free stuff, they don't appreciate it most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. they not appreciate it because they don't pay for it and they don't work for it, so they see it for granted. Of course, there are people that are very grateful for everything that you do for them. For example, I had one or two students that I helped them because I saw they need, and I saw that they can do and appreciate what they get. But most of the people don't. Most of the people don't really take that actionable stuff because they don't appreciate you and don't appreciate the product when they get it for free. Again, is it make sense? If it does, just comment below, and if you watch the replay, #replay that. I know that makes sense. Anyway, ask those questions. Start to kind of manipulate your mind, influence your mind to understand that sales is not the road of all evil. It's kind of good and nice if you really help the other person, if you really give the person something that enhances them to the next level. If it does, that's the right answer. That means you're on it and that you can help other people, and that's how you can shift your mind. Remember, ask yourself those questions. Does my product, does my service help someone? If I will give them, it will enhance their life. If it does, how will it enhance their life? Keep asking those questions and bam, you will see the mindset shift. Do it on a daily basis. When you do it on a daily basis, you kind of create that habit, if you will, that will stick with you for life, and not just for a day, for two, for a week, or for a month, but actually for life. So I would love to hear, are you going to implement those questions? If you're not, just comment below, heck yeah, that I know that you're going to do that, and I would love to hear how did it help you. So just comment below and have an amazing and productive day. And if you like this content, just give me a thumbs up that I know that you want more of it. And if you watch it on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode, and have an amazing and productive day. I will see you tomorrow. That was live on my group. Have a great one.